Hello and welcome to Patric's programming channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do simple calculations using VB.NET to round the results and also to show the values of the results on different forms. I'm also going to show you how to populate captions and the list box on a different form. What I'm doing is showing my students how to create a very basic invoice form to which they will have to add lots of enhancements and improvements. On the first form, we'll show two text boxes for inputting the width and length for carpet calculations, a calculate button and an answer label. We will now add a second form to our project and we'll call that FRM invoice. We will make the form a bit bigger. First of all, we have to hide the current form with me.hide. Then we have to load the invoice form with frminvoice.show. Let's run it and check that the new form loads. Remember that we have to type something into the input boxes or else the program will error. Yes, as you can see, the new form loads. We will make the form a bit bigger. Let's add a label and set the text to area. Also change the name to LBL Area 2. Let's add a list box and make it a little bit larger than the default size. Now to add the code to populate the list box. Go to the code for Form 1 from the tabs at the top. Type FRM invoice, type dot, find LBL area 2 from the list, type dot, select text from the list. Equals area in speech marks. We use speech marks because it's a string of characters. Now let's check it runs. It runs okay, but now we've got to show the actual value. Now we type in the ampersand representing and, then SNG length times SNG width. Now let's check it shows the correct value. I also said I would show you how to round it to a certain number of decimal places. This is what happens if we don't round it. It can show lots of decimal places. Let's enter the text that we want to show before the value. This will just show carpet area and nothing afterwards, as we haven't entered anything in for it to calculate. Enter the ampersand character to concatenate strings. This joins strings together. And then SNG length times SNG width, which is length times width, to give us the area. Now let's check it works. Notice we still have a lot of decimal places. We need to decide how many places we want to round it to. We do Math.Round and put brackets surrounding the calculation. Now let's check it works. You see this rounds it to the nearest square metre. We enter a comma and the number of decimal places we wish to round to. That's better, it's rounded it to 3 decimal places. Now to show you how to add items to a list box on another form. We enter the name of the form on which the list box is, then the name of the list box, then .items.add and the name of the item in speech marks. In this example, we will put 2 items, luxury carpet and standard carpet, in the list box. Now let's check it works.